In this video, I will tell you how to apply for the post of teachers and FCSA in Navodaya Vidyalaya. For this purpose, you will be given a link in the portal of the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. When you click on that link, you will be taken to this instruction page. This page contains all the important instructions for the candidate. You can go through each and every instruction very carefully. Here you will get the guidelines in the PDF format. You can download the guidelines and you can go through the content, right? This is the guidelines in the PDF format. So these FCSA guidelines, teachers guidelines, both will be available here. Here is a video how to apply, right? Now in the lower portion there is an undertaking. So you have to accept this undertaking by clicking here and then click this proceed to apply button. Okay, now this is the login page. Okay, here you have to enter your email ID and your password you have to give here. So since we are the first time user, new user, you have to click here for registration. So click here, enter your email ID. So that email ID you have to give twice. Then this captcha. Continue. Yes. Now you are getting this email verification box. Here actually an OTP will be sent to your mailbox. Okay, let me check my mailbox. This is the email ID given. Yeah, this is the new email. So this is the OTP, application for FCS and teacher. This is the OTP 8204. So what you have to do is that OTP 8204 you have to enter here, 8204, right? And now this captcha code you have to type here. Let me refresh it. Now you can set a new password for login. So I am typing a new password here. So the password should contain some letters, some numbers, and some symbol. An example is given here. You can see an example. Some letters, one symbol is there, some numbers are also there. At the rate symbol can be used. Okay, save password. Now the user is registered, user is created. Okay, now you have to click here to log in again. Now let me use that email ID and password, right? So in case you forget the password, you can click here to get the password in your email box again. Okay, any number of time you can make use of these options in case you forget the password. Sorry. Yes. So now we have logged in. It is asking for some very important personal details, name of the applicant. You can type your name, phone number, date of birth. Are you ex-serviceman? If you belong to ex-NVS category or ex-service category, you have to give yes here. Okay. Otherwise, leave it as no. Aadhaar number you have to give here. You have to give the correct Aadhaar number. Okay. In this captcha. Save these details. Now this data which you have given here is very important and you will not be able to modify this content later. Okay, So you can go through the name properly. If it is correct, you have to click here. If it needs any modification, if you want to modify the content, you have to simply click modify and you can make any correction over there. Okay. Then after making the correction, save. Then it will again ask you, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. If any of the detail is not correct, you can go back to edit screen by clicking this modify button, right? Now correct Aadhaar. All these details are same. Now you will have this confirm button active. Click this confirm button. Okay. Now that user is registered properly, your name will be coming over here, right? Now click to apply. You are applying for the first time. Click to apply. So you have to select the region, right? Now let me choose Hyderabad region. Then it will ask for the post you want to apply. Now you will be able to select the post you want to apply from here. And let me choose VGT Mass. Right? Save. Now you have to enter the choice of place. Suppose your choice is Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. These two choices you would like to give only. Click the save button. Now choice of place already filled. Now we are in the personal tab, personal details. So name of father, gender, mail. One phone number is already there. You have to give one more phone number. Category, whatever category you belong to. Physically handicapped, no. If you are married, yes. Navodaya Vidyalaya, where your if your spouse is working in an Navodaya, you can give that details. Otherwise, you can give no over here. Home district you can give. You can give your address over here and click the save button. That's it. Now you have given choice of place, personal details, photographs you have to upload now. Choose file. Photographs you have to choose from here. Signature. This is a photograph already uploaded. Now this is a signature upload page. You have to choose the signature. Choose the signature from here and upload. Actually, the signature file size restriction is given there. Here is the 40 KB maximum size. So you can go through this instruction. Okay, here also that instruction is there. Upload. Now we are in qualification and experience page. At any time you will be able to go back to dashboard. You will see the status for the application. Choice of place we have already entered, personal details entered, photo uploading success, signature upload success. Now qualification experience we have not done it. Okay. Now continue application entry, right? So matriculation 500 out of 600, year of passing, let me type. Now we have entered one qualification. UG degree, this is for PGTMS. So let me type BSc Maths 599 out of 800. Percentage of marks in degree. Okay, considering the main subjects only, let it be 85%. Year of passing 2000. Percentage is main subject. Percentage symbol should not, it should be only number. 85 number only should be given there. Now actually our qualification is not complete. PG degree score is remaining. PG degree post graduation total score is 890 out of 1000, year of passing. Save. Now BEd score entry is remaining. So you will not be able to move to the next screen without entering all the necessary details. Okay. So BEd score, total score is 500 out of 700. Right. Now necessary qualifications are given. Now, if you want, you can give, if you have MEd or if you are MPhil or PhD or anything like that, you have to enter these details because those qualifications are having some weightage. Now, let me give some teaching experience also. Recognized to school teaching. Number of sessions, let me 3 sessions. Say. Now, click the continue button. So, at any time, you will be able to go back to any of the previous tag. And you will be able to modify the details also. You can modify choice of place, you can modify personal details. Previous tab you can visit and you can modify the data. Okay, now we are in this upload certificate page. Now what all qualifications we have entered, we have to upload the documents to prove the that particular qualification. Okay, so 10th class, you have to choose the 10th class certificate. Let me choose one certificate and upload the file. Now in the following table, you will see matriculation 10th class. We have uploaded the details. You will be able to see the PDF document from here. You can verify whether the uploaded document is the correct document or not. If you want to modify the document again, you can click this edit button and you will be able to choose another PDF and you will be able to upload the PDF once again, right? Now let me choose UG degree. Let me choose any PDF file. There is a certificate that the degree certificate contains both the mark list and the certificate also, because mark list page is very much important. If you have more than one degree certificate is there with you, one mark list certificate is there with you, you have to combine these two certificates into a single PDF, and that PDF you have to upload, right? So certify that uploading PDF contains both the mark list and the course certificate also. You are accepting the certificate and upload this file, right? Now PG degree, you have to choose the PG degree certificate and mark list that is uploaded. Now only one thing is BEd certificate you have to upload. Then teaching experience you have to upload. Okay. Now uploading is complete. All the documents have been uploaded. Now you have to click the continue button. This is the last page where you can go through all the details once again very carefully. Once you click this confirm button, you will not be able to modify any of the screen. Okay, at this time, if you want to modify any of the personal details, your name or anything like that, your name will not be able to, but some other details you will be able to modify. Your parents' name or some other address or any other things like that can be modified by clicking this change button. You can change the photographs, you can change your signature, you can change any of the qualifications, everything by clicking the corresponding buttons. Okay, now there is a certificate of agreement. I certify that all the details furnished above are true. You are accepting this agreement and click the confirm button. Now your application is submitted. Now you will be able to download the completed application form from here. That PDF document will be coming to you. This is that completed application form. Okay, so you have submitted the application. The date and time of submission also will be given, right? Now if you go to dashboard, that application submission is complete. Your application number is 1001, right? From here also you will be able to download the complete filled up application from here also and here also. Now if you log out, I will show you how to log in again. Let me choose that email ID and the password is here. So this is the dashboard. So your dashboard will always contain the completed application form in PDF format. Anytime you will be able to take the printout of the application form. Now if you want to apply for one more application from the same, you can click here. To apply for one more application, click here. So you will be asked to enter the region choice. Suppose let me choose Pune region. Subject combination you have to use TGT mass. Suppose it is TGT mass, right? Click the save button. Now choice of place you can give This is in Pune region. You can give the choice of posting, click the save button. Now, qualification and experience matriculation, the details are already given. Simply, you have to click the save button. Then UG degree, the details are also given. You have to simply click the save button. But one issue that can come here is, suppose you have two degree, means you have BA English or a BA History like that, and you want to apply for TGT English and TGT History also. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to create another user with a different email ID, and you have to apply totally in a different manner. Okay, so click the save button from here. Now let me give the BA details. The details are also already there. Experience details also there. So now I have given all the important essential details here. Click this continue button. Now the document we have already uploaded. You won't be able to modify any of this document because we have it is already uploaded with the previous application. Click this continue button. Now this is the final confirmation page. Accept this one and click the confirm. Now you will be getting a confirmation page also for that application. So this is the confirmation page. You will be able to download the application form from here. Otherwise, you can directly go back to the dashboard. Your two applications are here. Okay, like this. The downloaded app, you will be able to download the application form from by clicking there. So this is the downloaded application form for TGT Maths. Likewise, you will be able to apply for any number of posts from here itself. That's it. Thank you.